Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how to do your homework for today. So go to your online classroom first and go to Teacher Messages. Then scroll down and click on Thursday, February 11th. Scroll down, so there's no Zoom class today. First, watch this video to see how to do your homework. The first homework that you need to do is just a practice about grocery store departments. So you did this homework before, you're going to do it again. And your listening assessment tomorrow will be the same as this practice. So what you do, you listen and then you drag the numbers. For example, number 1, poultry section, you drag and drop. Number 2, bakery section, you drag and drop. Then you scroll down, you check your answers, and then you listen for part 2. So again, you listen. So it's in aisle 3 across from the rice. So A is chips. So you have to drag and drop. And when you finish, you click check. Go back. Number 3. So now we're going to study vocabulary about health. We're going to study about health in February. Click on the file. Wait for it to open. Okay. So these are some flashcards. So you have to ask yourself, what is this? You can listen. Calendar. And then if you click here on turn, you will see the word. You go next. Again, what's this? Appointment. So when you click here, turn, you can see the word and then you go next. So please listen and repeat, study the vocabulary, go to the next card and the next card. There are 17 cards. When you finish studying, go back, click on number 4. So number 4, you practice the vocabulary in number 3. Click here. Okay, now you have to type your answer. So what is this? Appointment. You type and then you check. Correct. And then it goes to the next card. So you have to go to the next, 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 next. You can also go back if you like. You type your answer and you check it. When you finish, you go back. And your last homework, you're going to study vocabulary about body parts. So first there is a video. Listen and repeat. Click on the video. Watch the video. Study the vocabulary for body parts. Listen and repeat. Then scroll down. Click on the first activity. So you've done this before. Maximize your page, listen, repeat, then do matchup 1, matchup 2, 3, fill in, and dictation. Go back, scroll down, again, head and face, practice. Go back, midsection, practice. Again, click on this, practice the vocabulary, legs, practice. whole body practice. And then when you finished, go back and your homework is finished for today. Last thing I wanted to tell you, so these are the questions that I gave you before. Please don't forget to copy these questions in your notebooks. No answer, only copy the questions. Tomorrow we will have a listening assessment and then we will talk about these questions together with our classmates. Please don't forget to finish your homework before your class tomorrow, so you have time until your class tomorrow, 12 noon. Actually, your class is at 1 p.m. So finish your homework before 1 p.m. tomorrow. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.